Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set or change the chassis name in CentOS Stream 9 operating system. So first I am going to log into the terminal as a root user. So hostname ctl command. So here you can see that some chassis name is available by default. So here chassis name is showing as VM. So there are some predefined values for setting the chassis name. Please refer the hostname ctl man pages for more chassis name. So here this is the command to modify the chassis name. Hostname ctl space set hyphen chassis. So I am giving as a desktop. So here you can see that it's updated as a desktop. So you can modify accordingly as per your needs. Anyway, I am putting back the default values. Okay, VM is a default value. I am putting back. Yes. So this is the way we need to set or change the chassis name in CentOS Stream 9 operating system.